So I'm gonna share this product. I have already shared it in shorts videos, but I haven't explained or done a demonstration on this. This is a new launch in India. This is something from the brand Lamel. Yeah, I think so. This is a European brand, and this is called the all-in-one tinted lip plumping oil. This is the one product that I would highly recommend. Very affordable. This entire Lamel brand is very affordable. This is not a sponsored video, and also I wanted to mention that it was launched in Hawk Makeup first, but then I got to see that Nykaa had it launched already, so I went and tried this one. This retails for rupees 395, but I got it for 325 in some launch offer. So this looks orange. This is in the shade Peachy. Now this looks orange in tube, but as you see, I have been wearing it regularly ever since I got this. It's a very non-sticky oil, but it's like a lip balm with an oil base, and also it tints. Can you see the tube? Like it tints like a pink tone, those pH lip oils. So if you see, my lips are extremely pigmented. I've got the most pigmented lips. I feel like it looks pink now because of this tint here. So as you see, the tube itself, it just looks super pink because I've been using it, and the tint is, this is the color it's gonna tint your lips with. I am taking a little. See, as you see, I've used so much. I love it so much. I am gonna swipe on my lips. It's gonna go very transparent, and it's very lightweight. You won't feel like that gooey glosses. I'm not a fan of those. This one's super light. You won't feel like anything, but the juiciness it gives to your lips is super nice. And as you see, it's already starting to tint my lips. I'm gonna do for my upper lip as well. It has a nice scent to it. Like it kind of peach. It resembles peach. Like, can you see now? It is a gloss which is very affordable, but I will just give a minute for you to look at my lips. It's gonna look extremely tinted. Like if you see, it's super juicy. And non-sticky. Like, you see, there's no that stringy things or things like that. Super lightweight. So yeah, this is how the gloss looks like. Since I've not done it in my shorts video, I'm doing it here. I have gone ahead and ordered the other color, which is pretty pink, I think. I've ordered that also, so maybe I will use it in some other video of mine. Meet you on another one. Bye guys.